How to fix ChatGPT failed to get upload status error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for ChatGPT, and then move ahead to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then it might be the reason that you're having this issue. If that's the case, simply click on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version of the app, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device, then head over to general, move into iPhone storage, and then in the source bar, search for ChatGPT. Click on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. If not, simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.